Hi guys, thought I'd do a quick unboxing video of my new toy. I'm rather looking forward to this. I have a Phantom 3 Pro, which I've had for a few years now, and then the Mavic was brought out probably about a week after I got the Phantom, so I was a little bit gutted about that. So I thought, no, I'll wait for the Mavic 2 to come out. And then they brought out like the Spark, the Air, the Platinum, the whatever, and I thought, no, I'm going to keep waiting. And last week they announced the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. So I almost wet myself with excitement and immediately ordered it. And I ordered, of course, the Mavic 2 Pro, got the right one. I ordered the Mavic 2 Pro, and I also ordered the what's it called now? The Fly More kit. And I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video for you all to enjoy. Just to let you know, I ordered it on the 22nd and it arrived on the 30th. However, we've had a bank holiday weekend, so technically it's coming from China, and basically it took, well, about 4 business days, call it 5 days, which I think is pretty good, really. I wasn't expecting it today, so here it is, and I'm excited. So I thought I'd just do a quick video unboxing it. I'm just going to obviously break these seals here so you can enjoy it just as much as I'm going to. Yeah, so here's the baby itself, and let's get that out of there. Look at that, isn't that nice? Eh? Lovely. And it's in a rather nice case, and yeah, we've just got the little brake seal here, so you're seeing it as I am. Oh, look at that. I'm excited. I've never actually held a Mavic, let alone a Mavic 2 Pro. It's actually quite heavy. That is pretty heavy, to be honest with you. I didn't expect it to be as heavy as that. So we've got, of course, the drone there, and the lovely little remote controller as well, where your phone clips into the bottom, and the antennas and everything like that. In here, I would imagine this is the charging adapter. Yes, it is. I don't think you need to see that, it's not that exciting. And here we have all the various cables for different devices. Now, I've actually ordered a special little bracket because I have a Galaxy Note 8, which I believe may be a little bit too big for the actual remote control to hold it. So there's all your cables there, and that's wonderful. I am excited, can you tell? So I'll just pop that lot back in there. Oh, you also have here the usual instruction manuals, which us blokes don't tend to read, but I will actually look at it, considering I crashed my other drone the other day, which has gone in for repair, like I say. Rather gutted about that, but well, we'll see what the price is going to be to fix that. So we've got the drone there, and I'll just move my camera down a little bit so you can see it. That's them there. So, okay, we've got that. And we've also got the Fly More kit here. I'll just bring the camera back up. I've not set this up very well. It's a little bit of a small studio here. And yeah, let's just open this up. Now, the one thing I was really pleased about this is when I went on to order the drone, I was a bit gutted that it didn't come with a carry case like the Mavic did. And they wanted £79 for a carry case, and I thought, well, no, I'll find some kind of decent backpack that will carry it, because the main thing for me is that I love the Phantom, absolutely brilliant, but it's just a little bit big. It's not something you would just stick on your backpack and go cycling with, because it just doesn't work that way. And I want to go cycling, find some amazing sights, and be able to just take the drone out of my bag and just go fly, and that's what you want it for. Yeah, so that's what this does. But what I was really pleased, and I didn't realise, is that the Fly More kit comes with the bag, which I was very, very pleased about. And in there you've got some more instruction manuals, and we'll just see what we've got in here. Excited. You can fit quite a lot in this, apparently. It'll hold 4 batteries, and the kit comes with more brake seals. Once I get in there, I will get in there. So what we've got here is a I'm not sure what that is. I'll come back to that. You've got the shoulder strap, and I'll find out what that is in a second. We have in here more brake seals, all good fun. I don't rip things open, I'm quite gentle with this. The reason I do that is because if I ever upgrade in the future and decide to sell my drone, it sells like new. Right, yeah, you've got the charge cable there, because what I do like about this is it comes with a car charger as well. So if you're out in the road, you've got a car charger, so that's great. But because the Mavic comes with its own singular battery, you also, which is great, but you will need more. This Fly More kit comes with 2 additional batteries, which is super. And that's the bag in there. You've also got place for your memory cards. It will hold, apparently, and I believe this is a bit of a tight fit, it'll hold the drone, it'll hold 4 batteries, it'll hold the controller, it'll hold everything. Yeah, absolutely everything that you need. But somewhere in this bag should be a chart. There it is, it's at the bottom down there. What this does, which I thought was brilliant, is that it comes with the charger where you can plug in an adapter and charge 4 batteries at once, whereas obviously the Phantom you can only do 1 at a time, which is not ideal. So I was really pleased about that. I'll just get some stats for you as well, which I conveniently printed out. Okay, obviously the camera on the drone, this one in particular, is a Hasselblad 1-inch sensor camera, which apparently Hasselblad have been making cameras since the 40s, so it's absolutely awesome. It's got the 3-axis gimbal technology, and this is of course the protector on the lens there, so that pops out. I need to remember how that works. And it's got the 3-axis gimbal. Apparently that's brand new technology. Looks similar to a normal gimbal to me, but I'm sure it's a little bit better. Of course, it will take 20 megapixel photos, 4K video, H.265 compression, hyperlapse video, which gives you them absolutely amazing time-lapse videos, especially at night when everywhere's lit up. Enhanced HDR photos, so it'll blend a load of photos together to make the absolute perfect shot. And of course, one of the main benefits is it's foldable. Now, I've not even, you can see I've only just opened it, so I don't actually, there we go, it's like that. I am excited about this. So, yeah, so that folds out like that. Put your props on there, you're ready to go. The good thing about these propellers as well, they're low noise, whereas the Phantom sounds like a swarm of bees. The Mavic Pro number 1 is quieter and flies faster, but it's also got that high tone, which is really, you know, people will pick up on that, and it's quite annoying. But anyhow, if you're flying a drone, that's all good. The great thing about it is 31 minutes flight time per battery. It will go 72 kilometers an hour, which I've worked out to be about 47 miles per hour. It will go a distance from the controller of 8 kilometers, which is about 4.75 miles. The best thing, again, this one, which I wish my Phantom had, is it's got optical sensing all the way around, so you can fly this pretty safely, and it's pretty hard to crash. So I believe I'll leave that one with you till I'll find that out. And the thing I'm really excited about, a bit like the Osmo that I've got here, is that you can do tracking on it. So you can draw an object around whatever you want to follow, and the drone will autonomously follow you. So if you're cycling, just draw a box around yourself and cycle, and it will follow you. And if it also goes past, you go past an object, like if you go past a building, it's got its own mind, and it will go, hang on, they're going that way, so I'll keep going that way until they come out the other side, which is really cool. And it does that through 3D view sensing, so it actually works out the object, not just what it's looking at. It draws a 3D sense around it, and then obviously works out, yes, that's the object I'm meant to be following. So I just thought I'd do this quick video, a little bit of an unboxing video. I will be doing some footage videos, of course. I'm excited, very excited, as I'm sure any of you know me will know that. So there you go, that's my first unboxing video. Please subscribe to my channel, just click the button below. It has many different things on there as well. And please feel free to comment and just be nice. You know, this is a brand new thing for me, so yeah, feel free to comment and share this video, and I will see you all very soon. All the best.